birds are found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white packages. Come on, Jaco. There you go, the show has officially started. Our round of applause for Jaco with Trainer Regine. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Mikey. Now here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur-breasted cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwa galerita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, roots, and dystonia papaya rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it yes, then say, you can do it! Dazzle? Come on Dazzle, you can do it! Now, for next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of branding up, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me say Sassy, 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 Sassy. And how about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky, 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 Rocky. Okay, great ready? Trainer set, go! Here's Rogan's first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another one for Rocky, and it's a tie. And for the last ball, Rocky wins! Trainer Shell, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
They want another race, Trainer Vince.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocket's first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Wait, what's happening? Sassy ring got the 2 rings to the same time. And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Vince, let me say about that. 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, you didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true. That girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky, Trainer Michelle, and Trainer Vince. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's right. Being a media can enhance their results in navigate work. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the sheep back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, rainbow boys from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the bottom family. It is because they are the semi-guardians. They live in the mountains. They can grow up to 90 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They usually eat seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. consensus. Body lies over. And he gets the money. And lies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Alright, now before we go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know your money will go a long way and they're very, very thankful. You can now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about Ronald's Festival Stop? Our chickens! Wow, look at that! And as you can see, we have our rolling pigeons. Rolling pigeons meaning they will generate return to its nest and mate. Around of us are raptors, chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. Beyond that nature, our friends in sea, but we're also more in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the three R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our lover once again, and they will show us the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovebirds can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoyed our show. Are the birds like that large? Well, in their own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now, let me present you